Okay folks, we're fixing to look at a home that actually sits right here off of County Road 57, which is just past the Genoa High School on 196. We got 10 acres, and as you can see, it's heavily wooded. All hardwoods. There's an occasional pine tree you might find down in there, but it's got lots of hardwoods. 10 acres. You can see the home in the far distance back there. The home sits about, I'm gonna guess, 250 yards off of the county road here. And what's unique about this, there used to be they just moved out an old trailer house here, and I'll go up here and show you what I'm talking about. Okay, just before you get to the home up there, here's the well that services the home. But it's got a little cleared off place. I'm gonna say it's roughly an acre. You can see where there was a trailer home right there. So you got a pole, you got sewer, you got water set up. If you wanted to put a guest home or another manufactured home, you could put it right here on the property before you get to the home up here. Now let's go look at this home. Now folks, before we go in and look at the home, I want to show you this shop out here. It's actually a 30 by 60 shop with 30 by 40 is enclosed. It's fully insulated. You got two 10-foot roll-up doors on the building, fluorescent lights. You got 220 plugs for welders. You got electrical run all here, stubbed out for a sewer if you wanted to put a toilet out here anytime in the future. You go over here, and this part here is covered. You can see it's a nice, professionally done building, and I'm going to say that's all what 12 foot tall ceilings there. So, anyways, a nice 30 by 60 building. Okay, as you can see, most of this property is wooded. It's all hardwoods, very few pine trees is what I see. Now folks, this 2,200 square foot home sits about a quarter of a mile off of County Road 57, which is about a mile and a half from the Genoa High School. It has 3 bedroom, 2 bath with a wood burning fireplace, and it sits on just over 10 acres with a well and a septic. It has a long covered front porch. And yes, the pole with the bench swing stays with the property. You turn right here at just below the high school here in Genoa off of 196 is where it's located. But you can tell the property slopes a little bit right here. There's no water issues at all on this property. You know, just a few years ago, what they did, this was a drive-in garage here, and they took and added an addition in here. So this used to be a garage, and you'll see when we get in here, it's heated and cooled, and they made it really nice. You know, if you didn't know that this was a garage converted into a great room, you'd probably never recognize it. They've done such a great job on all the craftsmanship in here, the woodwork. Now from the converted garage area, you walk right in. The utility room is right here at the washer and dryer. Then of course the master bed and bath is on this side. The master bedroom has a recessed ceiling with a ceiling fan, double windows looking out to the woods in the back. The master bath has double vanity, jetted tub, and a his and hers walk-in closet. To your left is a really nice pantry, which is handy just off the kitchen, folks. You know, the main thing about any kitchen is having enough cabinet space. And as you can see, this one here has tons of cabinets on both sides. upper and bottom over here with the refrigerator, the slides in here, and you got a see-through china cabinet here, and you got a dining room that's all open and goes into your major great room here. And folks, that's a wood burning fireplace. And just off the great room here is 2 more bedrooms. They've got, this one here has double closets here, and this one has a single closet, and you got a full bath right in between both bedrooms. Okay, now for all you guys that like to grill, right off the great room here is a huge grilling area. Fireplace is right here, but it's covered, complete with a ceiling fan and all. Okay, for all you wildlife enthusiasts, there's all kinds of critters out here, especially whitetail deer. Put a feeder up here and you'd have all kinds of deer right here in your yard.